Hi, I am Jayavardhanarao. In this video, I will show how to install Python on Windows 10. Before installing Python, you have to check whether the Python is installed in your system or not by going command prompt. In command prompt, you need to type Python -capital V. If you don't get anything, you get like this, then the Python is not installed in your system. Now you need to install Python in your system. To install Python, open your browser and in the address bar type python.org. Then the Python web page will be displayed. In that web page, go to downloads and then go to Windows. So it will show Python releases for Windows. These are the latest Python releases. We have two releases, Python 2 and Python 3. I suggest you to install latest release, that is Python 3.8.2. At the time of making this video, it is 3.8.2, but when you see this video, this version may be different other than 3.8.2. That may be the latest version. Before installing Python, first check your system's architecture. To check your system's architecture, right click on this PC and go to properties. In the properties, you can check it is a 64-bit operating system. So you have to download 64-bit binary for your Windows 10. So go to Python website and check the 64-bit binary for your Windows. So now I am clicking latest Python 3 release. In that we have several files. If you are using a 64-bit system like me, then you need to download this file. If you are using 32-bit system, then you need to download this executable install. So as I am using 64-bit system, I am downloading this one. Just click on it and the download process will begin. As I am already downloaded the binary, I am not downloading that file again. So I am closing this browser. Okay, this is my downloaded file. Now I am installing this file in my system. So just double click on it. You will be prompted with this window. So before installing Python, make sure that you must check add Python to path. Otherwise, you cannot able to execute your Python programs in the command prompt. So you must check add Python to path. You can also able to customize some options. So these are various options, but I suggest you to check all these options. And now click on install now. You will be greeted with the user access control and then click on S. After clicking on S, the installation process will begin. It may take some time depending on your system architecture. After successful installation, you will see a message like this: setup was successful. So just click on close. Now open command prompt and type Python -capital V. Then you can see that the installed Python version. If you see this message, then the Python is successfully installed in your system. Like that, you can also see pip version. So type pip -v. So it displayed pip 19.2.3. This is the latest version as I am making this video. So close the command prompt and now we will see how to execute your Python programs. We can able to execute Python programs three types. First, by using Python interactive shell. Second, by using batch mode. And third, by using command prompt. We will see how to execute Python programs in these three modes. To open Python, just go to start menu and click on idle. It will display the Python interactive shell. This mode is also called interactive mode. I am just changing the fonts to make it visible. So this is called interactive mode. In this mode, you can execute commands. You can execute single line commands like this. Suppose print hello, a equals to 10, print a. You can also execute some statements or two or more statements by separating a semicolon like this. Print hello, print a. But in practice, generally we will not use the statements like this in interactive mode. Interactive mode is only used to execute one line at a time. If I want to execute more than one line, or I want to execute a Python program, I need to go to batch mode of the Python. So click on file, after that new file, type the statements you want to execute. So I am typing print welcome to Python If I want to execute all these 4 statements, I need to save this file. So go to file and save. I'm saving on desktop. You need to save the file with .py extension, that is the extension for Python files. I'm saving with hello.py. After that, if you want to execute your Python program, go to run and click on run module. After that, your statements will be executed. This is the second mode. This mode is called the batch mode. We can also execute Python in command prompt also. To execute the Python files from the command prompt, first go to command prompt and locate the file which you want to execute. In my case, my file is saved on the desktop. So cd desktop and then type py filename.py hello.py and then it will be executed. In this way, you can execute your Python programs. This is what I want to tell in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.